Have you ever looked at a picture of people from a faraway land and wondered, what's it like to live there? What do they eat for breakfast? What games do their children play? What stories do they tell around the campfire? What makes them laugh? What makes them sad? These are the kinds of questions anthropologists ask.
What is anthropology?
What is anthropology? Let's explore cultures around the world. Anthropology is the study of humanity that's you, me, everyone, everywhere, and throughout history. We explore what it means to be human, from the past to the present, and from one corner of the globe to the other. We're like detectives of the human experience, piecing together clues to understand how people live, think, and interact. Anthropologists help us understand that even though we may look different, speak different languages, and have different customs, we all share something fundamental. We are all human. We all experience joy, sorrow, love, loss, hope, and fear. Anthropology helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of human experience while recognizing our shared humanity. It helps us understand that there is more than one way to live, more than one way to be human. By studying different cultures, we learn not only about them, but also about ourselves. We gain a deeper understanding of our own values, beliefs, and assumptions. Anthropology challenges us to think critically, to question our preconceptions, and to appreciate the richness and complexity of the human experience. It encourages us to build bridges of understanding between cultures and to celebrate the incredible diversity of our world. Anthropology takes a broad approach to understanding the many different aspects of the human experience. Some anthropologists consider what makes up our biological bodies and genetics, as well as our bones, diet, and health. Others look to the past to see how human groups lived hundreds or thousands of years ago and what was important to them. Around the world, they observe communities as they exist today to understand the practices of different groups of people from an insider's perspective, and they study how people use language, make meaning, and organize social action in all social groups.
Anthropology is the comprehensive study of humanity, delving into the intricacies of human cultures, behaviors, languages, social structure, and biological characteristics, both past and present. By examining the diverse ways humans live, interact, and adapt to their environments, anthropologists seek to understand the complexities of human existence. This multifaceted field combines socio-cultural, linguistic, biological, and archaeological approach to explore the human experience, relieving the rich tapestry of human cultures and societies that have evolved over time.
There is a long strip about anthropology. Anthropology is the study of humanity in all its dimensions. It's a field that seeks to understand the complexities of human culture, behavior, and biology, both past and present. As anthropologists, we explore the diversity of human experience from the intricacy of language and symbolism to the ways in which people interact with their environments. We examine the ways in which culture shapes our perception, behaviors, and identities. One of the key concepts in anthropology is the idea of cultural relativism. This means that we seek to understand cultures on their own terms, rather than judging them by the standard of our own culture. By doing so, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of human experience in the ways in which people adapt to their environments. Anthropologists also study human evolution and the biological diversity of our species. We examine the fossil record, genetics, and other forms of evidence to understand how humans evolve over time.
In addition to its focus on human culture and biology, anthropology is also concerned with understanding the impact of globalization, inequality, and social justice on human societies. We examine the ways in which power and inequality shape human experience and the ways in which people resist and challenge this form of oppression. Through ethnographic research, anthropologists immerse themselves in the culture they study, often living and working among the people. They are researching. This allows to gain a deep understanding of the complexities of human culture and behavior. Anthropology has a many practical application. From informing public policy and international development initiative to helping business and organization understand and negative culture difference. In a conclusion, anthropology is a rich and diverse field that seeks to understand the complexities of human culture, behavior, and biology by examining the diversity of human experience and the way in which culture shape our perception and behavior. Anthropologists again a deeper appreciation for the complexities human societies and the ways in which we can work towards a more just and equitable world.
Some of the key areas of focus in anthropology include cultural anthropology, the study of human culture including language, symbolism, and customs. Archaeology, the study of past human cultures through the analysis of material remains. Biology, biological anthropology, the study of humans, evolution, genetics, and biology. Linguistic anthropology, the study of language and its role in shaping human culture and identity. Some of the key concepts in anthropology include cultural relativism, the idea that culture should be understood on their own terms, rather than being judged by the standards of another culture. Ethnography, the process of immersing oneself in a culture in order to gain a deeper understanding of it. Globalization, the process of increasing global interconnectedness and the impact this has on human society. Power and equality, the ways in which power and inequality shape human experiences in the ways in which people resist and challenge this form of oppression.
In anthropology include ethnographic research, the process of immersing oneself in a culture in order to gain a deeper understanding of it. Participant observation, the process of participating in the daily life of a culture while also observing and recording data. Interviews and surveys, the use of interviews and survey to gather data and gain insights into human cultures and behaviors. Some of the key application of anthropology include informing public policy and international development initiatives. Some of the key applications of anthropology include informing public policy and international development initiatives, helping business and organizations understand and navigate cultural differences, providing insights into human behavior and culture for fields such as marketing, education, and healthcare.